Other camera. Your big day today.
Off to do some work.
Hi, Nancy. Hi, Wyatt.
Hi, Nancy. Hi, Wyatt.
So we're gonna walk down the ramp. Believe it or not, it's not snowing today.
It's gonna rain tomorrow.
Going around the corner. Walk up to the mule shed. No, not yet. Hi! As you see, this is where we live. We still have lots of snow. That's our lake. Still have this huge snowbank. Nice, starting it up. Coming to get me. I just have to back up here and get my stuff. Say hi.
Hi. All right, we're on our way.
We're on our way. Maybe. He's out of his house coat today. So, there's our other four-wheeler in there.
Our other two.
We own all of this stuff.
1,000 acres.
1,000 acres. Well, let's go down the road over to get the backhoe.
Them all the deer he drives.
Nah, they're not important. I'll show him some deer poop instead. Look at the mud here. We have to keep plowed every year when we go to Florida. We're going to town. Now we're going over to where the backhoe is. Here's my poor little green car. Jim's fuel shed, where we keep our motorhome.
There's the alarm going off.
There's our pontoon boat. This shed here has to be, how old do you think it is, Jim?
There's my dump truck in there.
This shed's eons old. This is my little green car. I get 48 miles to the gallon. Oh, Jim's backhoe.
Yeah. Always do a circle check.
Make sure there's no squirrels in it. Can I stop it and start over now?
You can start, do whatever you want, dear.
Yeah, want to make two? Because you can edit it all, right? Okay. Where's... Gotta let it warm up. We're gonna open up some roads today. My boy. Oh, window stuck. Turn on the heat. I hope we got gas in it. The window's behind you. What are you doing? It's very slippy today. We don't keep the back road open during the winter time. That's, our house is way down there. So there's a house. So this is the road he's trying to open up because the front road's getting very... This used to be all a campground in here. I had 28 campers, but we closed it down. I was tired of babysitting. Pretty exciting stuff, eh? Look at the snow. It's freaking ridiculous here. Well, that's all, folks. I'm going back to the house. Okay, say goodbye to Wyatt. I'm going home. Talk to you later.